Hey, it's your girl Chab, and today I'm coming at you with a first impressions demo and review on the new Kaja Brow Blowout Fiber Gel Brow Definer, and I have it in the shade Light Taupe. Today I'm going to be talking about this. I have been testing this out for a few months now actually, so I will be spilling the tea and giving you the deets, and I'll let you know, is it good for you? Is it good for me? Is it worth your money? We'll find out. So let's get started. All right guys, my hair is going to move a lot. I wonder how long it's going to stay like this. But anyway, let's get on to the product details. As always, I got my phone right here. It's on silence on autopilot. That don't make no sense, all right? But my phone is here. I am on the Sephora app looking at the products right now. As you can see, here we are. So this is the Kaja. This is the Kaja Brow Blowout Fiber Gel Brow Definer right here. It's for $16. That's how much I bought it for. It comes in 4 different shades. So I have number 1, which is light taupe. Then we have number 2, soft brown. Number 3, medium brown. And number 4, deep brown. As you can see, I am a blonde, so we went with the light taupe today. Plus, I like to use just a tiny bit of tint or whatever because my eyebrows are naturally like a dark brown / black color, so I like to lighten it up a little bit just to, you know, match the zoo a little bit better. I mean, it's not, you know, exactly the same, but ain't nobody want bleach blonde eyebrows, you know what I'm saying? So it says details. What it is: a tinted brow gel that features tiny fibers to add definition and volume. What it does: this fiber gel definer helps create a full feathery look for an amped up blown out effect without flaking or smudging. The precision applicator tames, shapes, and enhances brows with the vitamin E and fruit extract infused formula nourishes brow hair. And then it says it's formulated without parabens and sulfates. I don't know anything about that. I don't know what it does, whatever. It says how to use, suggested usage. Use the wand and tease through brows in upward strokes for a full volumized look. Use the tip of the brow precision applicator to finish the arch and tail of the brow for added definition. All right, y'all. So as you know, in the past, I have talked about a nice little product called Gimme Brow from Benefit Cosmetics. In the past, I've called it Brow Wiz, and it's actually called Gimme Brow. It's Gimme Brow from Benefit, okay? And that stuff is a well-known product. It was recalled in the past because people started getting, you know, eye bugs or whatever. You can look it up on Google. I'm not gonna explain it. It's not my drama. So at the time, it was one of my favorite products, but the only gripe that I had with it was it didn't keep my brows in place. And this is what this baby is for, okay? So what they said is you can use this little brush right here and pretty much you just brush up your brows and stuff. You do a little wiggle, kind of like how you do with your mascara. You do a little wiggle and you pull up. That's kind of what I do with my brows. So let me show you a little bit of a demonstration real quick. So pretty much you just wiggle and pull up, wiggle and pull up. And what it does is it will volumize the brows to make them thicker. And as y'all know, okay, I've been going through a brow journey. If you look at my videos from like a year ago, my brows don't look the same, okay? And if you want to see a brow tutorial, let me know in the comments down below. But anyway, I feel like my brows have gone through it, okay? So I'm looking for a product that is going to keep my brows in place. They're going to make sure they stay in place, they don't freaking move, but also they are volumized, they look nice and thick, but at the same time not overly dramatic or anything, and they're nice and long and just beautifully arched and straight and perfect. That's a lot of different things, a lot of different synonyms, a lot of different antonyms, whatever, okay? That's what I want for my brows. So with this product right here, it is promising that you're going to get a full voluminous brows. In my opinion, I think it sure does, okay? Because as you can see, now I use 2 different products here. I don't use this product alone because I feel like it doesn't give you enough coverage per se. Now this product alone can be for somebody who already has full brows and is just looking to maybe touch up different areas. If you got a little bit of sparseness here and there and stuff, then that's what this product is used for. You could use this just alone. Me personally, I like to use a brow pencil followed by this right here. And so I've been using this for quite some time now. By the time this video goes out, I'll be using it for a few months now. But what I can tell you from the past month that I've been using this product, because this product came out recently. This Kaja brand, it had just came out into Sephora and stuff, and I swiped it right away because I was like, I want to try something new. You know, your girl Chad loves to try something new. So that's what I did. So yeah, this product has actually been on my eyebrows since like 6 in the morning, and I'm filming right now and it's like 8 at night. So it's been over 12 hours full show. And my brows are still stiff. They're still in place. Besides this part right here is a little wet because, you know, I just applied it onto my brows. But for the most part, my eyebrows are stiff. And if you don't like that crunchy feeling, that's fine. But it doesn't budge. It doesn't move. My eyebrows are kind of wiry and they kind of like, the hairs kind of like stick everywhere. But what I noticed with this product is that it just stays in place. It doesn't move. It stays in place, but it also gives it some color, gives it some tint, and gives it some voluminosity. Is that a word? I don't know. Maybe. Okay. As somebody who has darker eyebrows and stuff, because my natural hair color, as you can see, you know, there is no secret. I have dark roots. I am an Asian Latina girl here, but I dyed my hair blonde. So what I like to do is fill in with a lighter pencil and then go in with a light taupe because it's going to give my eyebrows a lighter tint. So it definitely gives you like a good, like what it says right here, blowout. It voluminizes the brows. It keeps them nice in place, kind of like if you got a blowout or whatever. No, I did not get a blowout on my hair, okay? It's called, I got a ceramic hair straightener and I straighten my hair. But once I go outside in the rain, it's gonna poof up. All right, so what are my thoughts on the Kaja Brow Blowout Fiber Gel Brow Definer Mascara? It is, drumline, it is Chab. Can't go wrong. Now, I will say, if you don't like crunchy eyebrows, if you don't like any, you know, like stiffness to the eyebrows, then this might not be for you. As somebody who likes to be bulletproof when it comes to their makeup, this is probably gonna be one of my holy grail products right now. As far as I know, I don't have any reactions to, you know, like my skin like breaking out from this product. I think it works great. It lasts a really long time and definitely something that y'all can check out. It's $16, so it's a little on the pricey side, but it's not too much, especially if it's just being used on your eyebrows and stuff. And yeah, I definitely think that you guys should go check it out. So let me know in the comments down below, have you tried this product out yet? Or if you have a favorite product that you would like me to try out, leave a comment down below as well. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and follow me on all these social medias down below right here. And ding ding, hit the notification bell because your girl make new videos every Friday. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions or what you would like to see next. As always, thank you for watching. I know it's the first video of the new year, so happy new year. Bye. Hey, it's your girl Chab, and 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Is it good for you? Is it good for me? If it's and I'll let you know, is it good for you? And number 4, deep brown. You can't go wrong with a as you could see, ain't no, oh my God.